457. Christmas. Chalcedon Report number 425, December 2000. I have vivid memories of my very early Christmases, before I ever entered school. The biblical account was read to us by my father, sometimes in Armenian, at other times in English. I was told that the incarnation was necessary to save this fallen, sinful world. As an Armenian boy, very familiar with the horror stories of the massacres, I knew it was fallen indeed. I also recall vividly one winter night when my father and mother were at a church meeting, an incident, not the first nor last. My sister, my young aunt and uncle, more like brother and sister to me, were already in bed, and my grandmother was putting me to bed when young hoodlums, hating foreigners, broke the windows of the bedroom and fled. My grandmother, knowing the horrors of the Turkish massacres and fresh from the evils of the Russian Bolshevik-made famine, quietly hugged me and prayed with me. Then, despite my pleas, she left for the kitchen and some dishes, saying that her persecuted lords could and would take care of me. As soon as I could read both the Bible and my Bible storybook, I read and reread the biblical account of the Incarnation. At Christmas, my father had us help with the Christmas tree, in those days ornamented with candles and fruit such as oranges, apples and pomegranates, because Revelation spoke of Christ as the tree of life, bearing all manner of fruit in all seasons. I was taught the meaning of Christmas as the beginning of the destruction of sin. Christmas, thus, was a season of joy. Now, at 84, with few Christmases left to me, I feel the same joy and the same assurance of victory. We are the ordained people of victory, and nothing can change that fact. I recall vividly my father's readings of the Christmas story and my confidence in God's victory. He is the Lord, and none other. Men and rulers forget this to their peril. He is our Saviour, or our Judge. Christmas is thus a season of holy joy to us, a celebration of a coming and inevitable victory. With the Incarnation, Christ began his invasion of history. We are a part of his army of victory. Therefore, rejoice.